want to go fishing?
Where we
Take
going?
you. Take you fishing. Bearings are good. We can keep on moving. Destination?
Unknown.
Not too sure yet. We're just heading
Destination
north and
unknown.
we're making good ground.
Just getting rid of a few empty tins.
Some alcoholics, eh?
Oh, what's that behind you, Barrett? Look, up in the sky.
Yeah, not yet, mate.
Oh, a bit of moon.
Oh,
Bit of moon, we'll take that.
bit of moon coming out to play the game. Look at it. Oh, doesn't that look nice? What do you got, Sean? A few naughty habits, eh?
Oh, a couple.
Oh.
We got the moon. We're going to head a bit further north, but the moon has just caught my eye. And I think we're going to run out of Gladstone and hit the usual ground we hit out of Gladstone and chase a couple reds and nannies and might go wide. See what the day brings. But we're going to get some fuel.
How many litres you getting?
Let's see what it takes. Well, we should be...
Nozzle top.
Not enough. We should have a couple hundred in there, so maybe 400 or 500 to top it up. Like we said earlier, doesn't get any cheaper.
Fisherman's diet is what we have to live off.
Fisherman's diet, chips and gravy,
And Red Bull.
and Red Bulls. We'll give you them later.
That's what the doctor ordered.
Hey!
Take your poison.
Good morning to you. It's time to get a red. Frankie doesn't talk much, but I'll talk for him, okay? We have a nannygai on float line with the PE, the glow heads at night,
That's it.
doing the job. You hold him up. Yeah. Nice nanny, mate. Good? Beautiful fish, mate. It's got a probably 4, maybe 5 kilo. Reuben's loaded. He's buckled.
Oh, boys are loaded.
Boys are loaded. Do something with it, Reuben, will ya? That's it. Anyway, Reuben's buckled. You can't quite see the rod. We got a nanny here, cracking nanny. And the PE glow heads. It's probably equivalent to maybe an 8-ball, sort of 6 to 8 ball. 3 7.0 gangs on the back of it. Beautiful, mate.
Does the job.
Beautiful. Does the job. Now I'm going to let you deal with that, and I'm going to get over to Reuben here. Now, are you going to talk to me or what?
Oh, fishing about a 11:30 moon. Out off Gladdy.
Moon, there he is up there.
Just
Go on.
landed a nice nanny. I've buckled up on something. I'm gonna have to call another nanny.
Nanny?
Yeah, I've got a couple
I'm going to
nets.
grab that net, wrinkle, because I reckon it could be a red, this one. Thanks, mate. I'm going to go net duties. Get it away from the engine. Just lost it behind the boat. Doesn't that stink?
Okay, red.
Oh, we got the first red of the trip.
That's red.
He's legal.
Okay.
back.
He's back. Look at that, dude.
Beautiful.
What is
Oh, that looks deadly.
The keeper.
Oh. Hold him up, Ant, when you get a minute, boy. It's a bit Miami, huh? Ruben lost a sweetlip out the back before. That's what it was. Brinky's got a nice nanny. And Ant has got the first legal red of the trip. Got a couple grassies coming in. Get him up on the workbench. Very nice.
Upgraded.
Whoa, oops. Very good. On a bit of mullet fillet. He's a cracker grassy. Look at the size of him. Wow. Now we got another one down here. Another good grassy. Beautiful. Hold him into the light. Beautiful. Nice fish, mate.
Yes, sir.
Float line and a bit of mullet. PE gangs doing the trick. It'd be every bit of 4.5 or something. Surely. Boys are onto something. What is it? Oh, the dirty dog. What do you got, Ant? He's calling red. I swear I heard him say red. That is dirty, dirty Jews. Let's move. Let's get out of here. This size of him. Big bugger. Anyway, we're on to bigger and better things.
We got half a piggy here.
It is pretty good.
Yes, mate.
He's rang the good.
I didn't reckon you were going to be able to do that. Reloaded. Like the next rock. What do you reckon, Josh?
I reckon it's a gold on it coming out.
You reckon?
God, it's got some head shakes, boy.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
It's been a minute between fish out here.
Holy
I actually don't even know what a fish feels like anymore. We put down the leader systems, the gang from leader systems on the deep drop outfit. We're only in 90 metres of water.
Yeah.
Kenya?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Curly?
Goldie.
Goldie.
Oh, nanny.
Nanny. Oh, nice nanny. Take that.
You take those. What's that single rod?
On the leader system gangs. 2 gangs on the dropper. Nice fish. Nice nanny. Float line and pillies. Come into the shallows. Just to have a bit of fun. At the moment, it's pretty red hot. Oh! Hey!
Trout. Trout all day long. Anton. That's a trout.
Ruben's calling trout. I think I've got a trout. You're on the bite. Couple nice trout. Beautiful eating size.
Float lining in
20
30 metres, something like that.
30 metres. tackle. Getting the job done. What do you got there, Brink? Beautiful trout.
Ant's got one too.
Beautiful.
They're coming in.
They're coming in thick. Look what he's got. Another one. Beautiful fish. Just float lining with a little 4 to 6 ball PE gang. That's all you need to do.
Quality.
Nothing special. Beautiful day. Float lining. Fillies. 2 hook gang from PE tackle. One through the bottom and one through the shoulder. 5 ball sinker. Nice little show on the sounder. Bit of a bommy. See if we can flick it on top of him. Maybe a trout might play the game. Feed it down to him as gentle as you can. Just tap the bottom. Drags up, trout's biting. Oh, good fish. Cracking fish. Hopefully it's a trout. Felt like a trout bite. There's that little tap tap and mouthed it. And there you go. Ah. Oh, caught up. That's how you catch cold trout on the reefs. Not too bad, eh? Nothing crazy. Just got to keep it simple. Keep in touch with your bait, and away you go. Mate, is this your corner or something? What are you doing?
Yeah, I've taken over from Captain's corner. It's actually now Boxall's corner, and we're just trying to do a bit of work in here.
Bit of work.
Yeah. The trout.
Don't half and puff unless it's a trout. I don't want to see it. Actually, it's a red throat. It's a beautiful red throat. We don't need any more trout. Oh. Yeah, you're good at catching those red throat, mate.
Yeah, I know.
He's got his ass hanging out like me last week. Bloody up, mate. Bloody
Yeah.
up. Ruben, you got redemption on that thing or what?
Yeah, I think so, maybe.
Maybe.
Nah, just an RTE.
Oh,
Quite a big one, that.
he is feisty. He is playing up. Holy. Like me when I was 18. We're just saying we needed a few more of them and then we bagged.
Yep.
Trout. What'd you say? Trout? Oh. Beautiful, mate. I'll give that to you, sir.
I reckon we'll have another one over here in a minute. T-minus 30 seconds.
Hold him up, Rink.
Bubble's doing the job.
Beautiful, mate.
Good bite. I don't know if it's a trout, but definitely not a trout. Maybe
It
a
is.
red throat.
Maybe it is a small trout.
Maybe it is.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, look, we'll take that.
Look at those beautiful colours. That is good eating size trout.
Don't get much better than that.
Ruben is on again.
This is redemption. This is redemption, this one.
Oh, mate, it's got to be a cracking trout, doesn't it?
Yeah, has to be. that weight.
If it's not, I don't know. Wow, it's not. Quality red throat. Love those red throats. Floating this down. Nice little pilly. About to get smacked. Yep. Oh, geez. Oh, could be a quality trout. Just playing with it like a trout. And it is a beautiful trout. We'll take them all day. Yes, sir. That is what we're here for. Beautiful. Beautiful. Maybe kilo-and-a-half fish. Just engulf the pilly. Oh! Blew it. Wait, talk to me. Oh!
He's back on.
Holy shit, I'm doubled. Wait, someone grab the camera. Grab the camera. Wait. Someone hold the camera.
Oh my god.
Here, I'll grab it.
Good trout.
I
Big
dropped
trout.
I dropped my good ones,
I was film crew for a minute and it just got absolutely ambushed.
I dropped it. Oh my god, I got shot.
Look at that, mate. If
Bro,
you're gonna pull them
what
one
are
up,
you
Josh, you can't be frowning, can you?
What about
Ruben's pulling up pasta.
that? Half up.
And I'm doing the damage.
Yeah.
Standard. Carrying the weight. Bit of hustle fillet, mate. Don't touch my gear.
Yeah. Let me have a look.
Hustle fillet. Alright, paddle rig, straight down.
What do we fish
No
on?
time to waste.
Some nice show there. Nice show. What do you reckon?
Who found that?
Oh, Captain Obvious. Oh, yeah. Surely. Yep. There you go.
Barrett's loaded as well. Hold that up.
Good one, Barrett.
Yeah, mate.
There you go. That's the one you're looking for, weren't you?
Oh, I've been looking for a couple drops.
Oh, it is a good one. Here he is. Here he is. He never left, actually.
He's been too busy putting you boys on the
Oh.
dogs, to be fair. It's not a red, is it?
Yeah, surely.
I think it's a goldie. Wait,
Whoa! Okay. Come here often, bud?
You've been doing this long, mate? It's a good fish. Been working into the arvo on these. Cracking bite in the arvo. Moon's coming up in about an hour. Hour and a half. Oh, you give me a red. After all, my blood sweats.
He wants it.
Is big goal band, eh? Has to be.
Yeah, it will be.
It's tight to the dead. It's got some weight, but have reverse bring.
Yeah. Too big, gold man. Sheesh. Wait, Ruben, you want to hold it?
Look at that. Gold band. coming on the chewy. Seem to be catching a few more. Pretty impressive size. Probably every bit of 4 or 5 kilo. Of beta doctos. Tangled up. He ain't coming undone. 73 metres, just float line with 8-ball sinkers.
That's a good one.
Just with squid and mullet fillet.
Similar size.
Just running it through the water column, wafting it down and then grabbing it. Brothers. Yeah, they're brothers. There you go. See you on the dinner plate. Good eating these things too. We're going to keep going for a bit more and then going to go chuck an anchor down for the night. Go cook a feed, have a shower, have a beer. We'll take it. Yeah, that's a red, that's a red, that's a red. That's a red. Get ready, get ready. Get ready. Close it up, close it up. Yeah. Yes! Keep the tip up.
Good one. Good one.
Be careful. 40. How's that drag? Is it actually? Oh. Oh, that's a good red, Ruben. That's a big one. Mine? Not so big. Oh, that's a big one, Ruben.
Back to back. Damage is done.
And what we're using is Moreton Bay Tiger Squid. PE game.
Hustle fillet right for me.
Hustle fillet for Ruben.
Hustle fillet. About 65 metres of water. Hustle fillet. Back to back drifts. 2 reds.
Let's go.
Box full of trout.
Keep him coming.
We back, baby. We back.
Easy work. When they're on, they're on. When they're on, eh, Ant? Into him, boy.
Wait, someone's got my line.
Oh, Ant.
Wait, I've got.
And you don't have
I got my line.
Wait, net.
net. He's creaming net. Oh, it's a good red. It's a big red. It's a big red.
Wait,
woo, woo,
someone's got
woo.
it. Whoa, 2.
Someone. That's 2.
There's
Stop.
2.
Stop pulling.
Oh my god.
Oh, I need to get that in the net. I need to get that in the net. Holy dooly. That is a big red. Yes.
Wait, Antoine, a huge one. Let him over, Josh.
Oi. Oi.
That's my big one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ew. It is mayhem. Absolute mayhem here.
There's my 10.
Mayhem. Ant is on. Ruben is on. Hold him up. Hold him up. That's a 10. Yes. Yeah. Yes, brother.
There's my 10.
Oh, Ant's got a good one.
Beautiful, mate.
Oh, Ant's got a good
Let's
one.
go.
Oh.
Afternoon bite on the Redemperor.
Which one's mine, bro? Oh, there's me.
Ant, what are you doing out here, mate? Talk to me.
Wait, have you got that? I'm gonna try and sort out my line.
Couple reds coming in here, mate.
This is a good
That's a donkey.
Goldie, eh?
Wow. You're pulling up reds, doing head shakes, and then you're pulling a goldie. But he's a big one. Sometimes they will fool you. Especially when they're that size, mate.
Did that one pull up?
Beautiful fish.
No, not really, bro.
Beautiful fish.
That one.
Fucking fish.
Let's go. Fish? Give it up. Yes. Both ears. Yes. Reds are chewing.
That's mine.
Oh, yours. Oi.
Let's go.
I'll go colour.
You got colour?
Let's come back out for the arvo, a little rock. Oh, nice red!
Yeah. Boys are on here. Oh, yeah.
Quality maybe 5 to 6 kilo red. I'll be happy if it's 5. Put it that way.
my god.
Oh.
That's a good one. That is a good one. Don't watch it. Yep, keep it. Watch yourself.
Where we go to back bit, mate? No, wrong way.
Oh, I just lost mine. Meters behind the boat. 10 meters.
Come on, Freddie.
Yeah, right, mate.
Come on, Freddie.
Come on, Freddie.
How big reds have to be this big, bruh?
But actually, seriously. Redemperor.
I'm going 10.
10?
10
Oh,
kilo.
shit, it better be because I just lost probably a 5 or a 60 for you.
I'm going 10.
10?
Yeah.
Jeez, that's a big call. Oh!
Oh, look.
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
Yes!
Yes.
Let's go. Put him up there.
Hold him up. What did you get it on, Ruben? You got it on the Slow Jigs Australia Octo Head. Look at that. Beautiful, mate. He's a quality red. Quality red. Oh well, we'll do another drift and maybe
Hopefully
the
a couple
afternoon
more.
is turning them on.
Yeah, let's go.
Yoo-hoo!
Yeah,
Yes.
that's what we're talking about.
It would have been 4, but that
Yeah.
stings, eh?
So,